Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I am gonna unbox the XHDATA D-109WB. I just received it today. I was doing my live stream earlier today, so I thought it was gonna arrive tomorrow, but it got here today. Thank you, XHDATA, for sending me this radio for review, and I will be using it for the next couple of days, and I'll do a full review on it. Of course, this is the successor of the XHDATA D-109 shortwave, long wave, medium wave, shortwave, Bluetooth, of course, TF card, MP3 player, and all that. This is the same thing, except they just updated. So they included the weather band. Let me show the features right here, actually. Right here. So they have actually all has a weather radio. So basically the weather band. Okay, NOAA Weather Band. So let's take it out the box. As you can see, you got the, of course, all the other features. It does have the SOS alarm. And the, of course, right here, weather band disaster warning radio. So this is pretty cool. We've been waiting for this for quite a while, since they announced it. And I'm anticipating the, of course, we got your charger cable. We already know that. Of course, you got your operator's manual for the new D-109WB. Okay. And basically, if you own the D-109, you're already familiar with this. So it's just, you have a couple of new features on it. Okay. So, of course, this one has the SOS button right here. And you have your WB right here, weather band and alert. Okay. So you still got all the other stuff, your shortwave stuff and all that. And your medium wave and all that. You still got everything, except now they added one more band, which is the weather band, no weather band. Okay, and slash alerts. And of course, they also added this guy, the attenuator switch, or DX local switch. That's what we call it, DX local switch. Because remember, you had the issue with the prior one that had the overloading issue. So that's their answer to that, and we'll see if that's gonna work. Of course, I'm gonna just pull out this. Actually, let me just open it up and see, pull this thing out. Okay. And there it is, okay? So just pulled out this thing. So now it's active. I'm going to be doing, of course, I will be doing reception videos on this. And I'm just going to turn this on. And I'm going to put the weather band. And let me just put the antenna. Let me whip out the antenna. Okay. And of course, I'm in the basement. A lot of interference on here right now, especially during the day. But you can hear it. Okay, so we do have weather band. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. So there you go. It's an unboxing video of the D-109WB. I will do more tests. I will test it out tonight. I'm going to do some medium wave DXing with it. I'm curious about the DX local switch. Of course, weather band, as you just heard right now. I'm in the basement, so weather band reception is not going to be the greatest down here in the basement. I'm going to take that outside. I'm going to go through all the weather bands. But it picked up the strongest one right away, so that's good. That's good that it picked that up right away. Okay, so more to follow soon. So right now is the XHDATA D-109WB. If you go to their website right now, they have it listed at $55. That's their retail price. However, it's on sale for $44. Of course, they already have the price update and all that, but I think you can order it right now. I think they're gonna release it any moment now for sale. So I would just check out their website, xhdata.com.cn. Okay, so there you go, my little unboxing video of the radio, and I look forward to doing some tests on it, and I'll give you some reception reports on it, and then eventually I will do a review. Okay, So there you go. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.